A Visual Studio Code workspace is the collection of one or more folders that are opened in a VS Code window. In most cases, you will have a single folder opened as the workspace. You can also include more than one folder. The first step is to open Visual Studio Code, and with your mouse, click and drag Project Folder, then drop it on your VS Code workspace. With your mouse, click and drag Second Folder, then drop it on Explorer Space. Click Add Folder to Workspace. Both projects have been added to the same workspace. To save the workspace, click File tab. Click Save Workspace As. Select the location to save the workspace. Click Save. That's it. You're done.